The importance of giving advice only when asked. Daily tips. Respecting others' autonomy fosters trust and strengthens relationships, allowing for open dialogue. Unsolicited opinions can create tension and defensiveness, often leading to misunderstandings. When advice is sought, it carries more weight and is likely to be received positively. Offering advice only when asked encourages self-discovery and personal growth in others.
Essential tips for mindful mobile phone use during conversations. When someone speaks to you, put your phone down to show respect and post attentiveness. Engage fully by making eye contact, which fosters connection and understanding between you and the speaker. Consider putting your phone in silent to avoid distractions and stay focused on the conversation. Practice active listening by responding thoughtfully, which enhances the quality of your interactions. Set boundaries with your phone, designating times to check it, ensuring you're present during important texts.
How to respect personal information in social interactions. In conversations, avoid asking about sensitive details like age or salary unless invited. Respecting boundaries fosters trust and makes others feel comfortable sharing if they choose. Imagine meeting someone. Instead of prying, focus on shared interests and experiences. Practice active listening. It encourages openness without pushing for personal information. Reflect on your conversations. Are you creating a safe space for others to share?
Focus on your life, the power of personal boundaries in relationships. Staying focused means prioritizing your own goals and responsibilities without distractions from others. Meddling in others' issues often leads to misunderstandings, creating unnecessary conflict and tension. Establishing boundaries fosters personal growth, strengthens relationships, and enhances mental well-being. Respectfully disengaging from others' problems allows you to support them without losing your peace. Encourage open communication and offer support, but remember to prioritize your own life first. Embrace your journey and cultivate healthy boundaries today.
The power of eye contact, a simple gesture of respect in communication. Maintaining eye contact during conversations shows engagement and respect for the speaker's words. In job interviews, eye contact conveys confidence and helps establish a connection with the interviewer. When speaking with friends, eye contact enhances understanding and strengthens emotional bonds between you. In difficult discussions, eye contact can calm tensions and demonstrate sincerity in your intentions. Embrace the power of eye contact in your conversations today.
The importance of humility and sensitivity when discussing wealth. Boasting about wealth can alienate those who struggle financially, creating unnecessary tension. Sharing financial success should come with empathy, understanding the feelings of those less fortunate. Instead of bragging, focus on inspiring others with your journey and lessons learned along the way. Encourage open discussions about money that promote kindness and support, rather than envy or resentment. Join us for more insights on kindness and empathy in conversations. The power of kindness, building strong relationships every day. Treating others with kindness means showing compassion, understanding, and respect in every interaction. Positive interactions foster trust, creating deeper connections both personally and professionally. Simple acts, like saying thank you or listening actively, can transform everyday encounters. Respectful communication encourages collaboration, enhancing teamwork and mutual support in any setting.
Why you shouldn't keep calling someone who doesn't answer. Repeated calls can come off as intrusive, making the other person feel pressured or overwhelmed. If someone doesn't respond after 1 or 2 calls, they are likely busy or unable to talk right now. Respect their time by giving space. It fosters better communication and strengthens relationships. Consider sending a text instead. It allows them to respond at their convenience, without pressure. Waiting for a more suitable time to call shows understanding and patience, enhancing social etiquette. Holding the door open is a small act that creates a big impact on kindness. This simple gesture shows respect for everyone, regardless of their age or gender. Imagine the smile on someone's face when you hold the door for them, brightening their day. Sharing this courtesy fosters a community of mutual respect and positive interactions. Your small act of kindness encourages others to pay it forward, creating a ripple effect.
Celebrate individuality. Focus on positive qualities, not physical appearance. Kindness shines brighter than any physical trait, making the world a better place. Intelligence inspires innovation, creating solutions that impact lives and communities positively. Creativity brings color to life, showcasing unique perspectives and talents in every individual. Resilience demonstrates strength, proving that overcoming challenges defines us more than our appearance. Join us in uplifting others through positivity and respect.